This video will cover how to navigate the data within an engineering change order. Each ECO will be assigned a unique ID composed of 6 numbers or letters. This is an editable field along with the name and description you added at the time of creation. You will see the stage of the ECO, as well as who created it and when. Here is where you will see any integrations you have set up. For example, if you wanted to link this change order to Propel, you would do so in this section. ECO attributes are defined at the company level and can have different values, such as a drop-down with different selections or an attachment, as shown here. Below this, you can see all of the files included in the ECO. You can add a change description unique to a specific file if desired. These columns are metadata-driven and are configurable within the admin settings. Switch to the Approvals tab to see each time an approval was initiated for this ECO. You can also see this information from the ECO page and compare it with others. Search the list of ECOs by name or ID. You can also filter by status or creator to narrow your search. You have the choice to view a list of the ECOs or the files being released on an ECO. In this view, you have additional search options. These features ensure full traceability, ensuring your entire team is always working from the latest designs and can quickly find what they need.